कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख कहरा है। कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख कहरा है। फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा की चिलमन में। सारे सहम नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं। ओ कैसे कहें क्या है सितम, सोचते हैं अब ये हम। कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे, करते तो है साथ सफर फासले।
So thank you guys for coming to my office for your 25th anniversary. We are very excited to have you guys here. Yeah, so for the next like 1 or 2 hours, we'll be having a lot of fun. So we'll start with some, family history and like friends history, and then we'll go on to, partying and, all the good stuff. So. We have 2 mics. Keep them at sing the song. Sing the song. Alright. Well, we have some real singers in the audience and dancers, Fufaji and Buaji. And over the years, our families became really close. As they became really close, I became the natural recipient of all of Fufaji's wisdom. Now, let me tell you, just 5 minutes with him, you'll leave new and enlightened, I promise you. But going on to that, their kids, Supriya Didi and Anshalada, are 2 of the smartest people that I've ever met, so I guess it just runs in the family. Anyways, Buaji's cooking is one of the best I've ever tasted. She's always willing to make what the kids want to eat, and I think that's a really good quality that everyone should pick up. So we're also welcoming Avantika Auntie and her son Pranav. We're also welcoming a few others, Joseph, Supriya Didi's husband, and their baby Amaya, as well as Anstada and his girlfriend. So, they'll be here. Yeah, they'll be here. We'll introduce them. So, in 2003, there was a very endearing person that my parents met. Baba actually describes him as the most intellectual, caring, thoughtful person that he's ever met. And we're saying all these nice things, but can we actually picture that he's here?
Does his name start with a V?
Sorry, do you see him?
His face is
Oh, he's calling me. So in 2003, I was born. It was a huge milestone and accomplishment for my parents. First child into the world. Next, we commence D835 Daffodil Way, San Jose. We moved in here in 2005. Well, not even we. I wasn't even born yet. It's older than me. But yeah, we've lived in this house for so long, and it's been the best home I've ever lived in, and also the only home there. So as I moved into school, I met some of my friends that so graciously have stood beside me to this day. As little 5-year-olds,
we introduced our families to each other. So the first one is Rupamanti Paragakal Anshanana. So I've known Ansh since preschool, and since then our families have been extremely close. I mean, even literally, we used to live one street apart for many years. Papa says Paragakal is a man of universal talent. Singing, dancing, motorbiking, cricket, cooking fish, you name it. Moral of the story is, don't mess with Paragakal. Mummy describes Rupamanti as a professor of literature, history, and chant. But Uncle and Auntie have been super caring for me and my family throughout my whole life. Next is Anjali Auntie, Jitendra Uncle, and Shreyas. You guys could. So although Shreyas decided to ditch me and move to a different school in 6th grade, our families and me and Shreyas obviously have remained close. Every year we look forward to the Ganpati Puja in your house, and we are looking forward again this year. And lastly, we have Raji Auntie, Niranjan, and Krish. Krish is the older son. He's my age, but his school's already started, so he's not here. But he's here in spirit. So as I kind of alluded to, one of my best friends since preschool is Krish. One of Vixar's best friends since preschool is Niranjan. They're both Raji Auntie's sons. We kind of grown up together, both families. So actually Niranjan and Vixar have been to the same preschool, same kindergarten, same elementary school, same middle school, same high school, and who knows, maybe same college, maybe same job, and maybe same wife. I don't know. I mean, maybe, hopefully not that far. Hopefully not that far. But anyways, Raji Auntie has been a very bright light for our family throughout these years. We are always super appreciative to have her around.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have Reena Auntie, who unfortunately was not able to make it today. But I'd still like to say some words about her. So in 2006, Mummy reunited with her closest college friend, Reena Auntie, and they picked up right where they left off. So yeah, although they couldn't make it today, their whole family, Reena Auntie, Ajay Uncle, Vasu, and Aryan, they're all very close with us, and we really cherish our friendship.
And then next we have Ruchika Auntie and Amit Uncle. If you guys could stand up too. Where they are. Oh, all the way in the back. Mummy met Ruchika Auntie through work at NVIDIA. And this friendship has greatly outlasted work. You can see them. This is my 8th birthday party. They're having a great time there, I hope. Next.
Yes, sir. Okay. Then came 2007. And as you all know, I was born. However, it's never fun to talk about yourself. So instead, I asked one of my good friends to say a few words about me.
Oh, where do I even start? He's the most caring person I have ever met, and his parents are so lucky to have him. Sometimes I myself wish I could have been as inspirational as Victor. Maybe in the next life. I could go on and on about him, but he only gave me 15 seconds. Anyways, how do I stop recording this thing? My good friend.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, where do I even start?
Alright, so anyways, during my kindergarten years, I made my first friends. Ninju, as Versan already presented us, Soham, Atharva, and Panda. And all of our families soon became friends. Then, Get up, get up. Then, a few later, not yet, Vibes joined our friend
Now
group
get up.
too. Oh, you guys get up.
Families, too. Families.
Family, everyone. And so one funny thing is, originally our group chat, or like the parents group chat, was called the Pentagon because there was 5 families in it. And actually when Vibes joined, I had the miraculous idea to change the group chat title to the Hexagon. Now, when I met Vibes, I did not just make one friend, but instead I made 2. His dad, Nanda uncle.
Nanda uncle.
Now, my dad describes Nanda uncle as someone who knows about everything. And honestly, when I started trading stocks, and he told me what stocks to invest in, which was really helpful. I made a few bucks. So, me and Papa with Nanda uncle and Vibes, we used to go all over California for AU tournaments, for basketball tournaments, and that was like some of the best weekends of my life. But also Shweta auntie. Shweta auntie is one of the best, and Vibes told me is one of the best mobile players or for mobile games that, you know. She plays Candy Crush really well, but yeah. Oh, Pokemon Go, yeah. So next is, my dad calls him Dr. Suhas. He is a deep thinker and an investment guru. Vinita auntie is super passionate. Mummy says her enthusiasm and energy are palpable. Ruchit uncle is super smart and highly intellectual. Nirali auntie is a very successful professional and still down to earth and caring. Someday we have to go in your guys' RV though. Kamlesh uncle and Tanu auntie are TikTok stars. Tanu auntie has many Bollywood connections, and Kamlesh uncle is super caring and super sweet and always has a smile on his face.
So in 2011, my mom was naively browsing the shelves at Dollar Tree looking for some Diwali fireworks. And boom! All of a sudden, she hears a familiar voice. Shiva! And there was her college friend, eye to eye. So enter Deepak uncle and Anupama auntie. And family, Ishan. So that's a true story, by the way. One thing that you should know about Deepak uncle is his coffee ice cream. If you've never tried his coffee ice cream, you have to give him a call. I hope you brought your business card, uncle. So next, Anupama auntie kindly introduced us to the self-titled the Fremont Flying Squirrels. If you guys could all get up, a family. So over the years, it's been a lot of fun parties, great food, dancing, singing, anything you can kind of think of. Here are some fun words, some words that my parents had to say about you guys. Yash uncle and Sachna auntie are the true entrepreneurs with infinite energy. Sachna auntie runs her own production company, and she's a dancer. Yash uncle is a future congressman. Vineet uncle and Parul auntie are fun-loving. But they live in Mountain View time zone, or Mountain House time zone, very far. But even though they're very far, they're still very close to us. Parul auntie is an all-arounder. She's a great hairstylist and a makeup artist. Harsh uncle and Ulka auntie are a fountain of knowledge and highly intellectual. It's always super fun to have them around. Manish uncle and Pratima auntie are always very thoughtful, empathetic, and always taking the time to listen. Yes, they're still working, but my family wants you to know there's a long way till retirement. Sanjay uncle and Chitra auntie. Sanjay uncle is a finance guru and a actually cousin of Warren Buffett. Chitra auntie is my mom's college senior, actually. She's always happy and having fun and radiating joy wherever she goes. Vishwa uncle and Rekha auntie. Vishwaji is one of the most, he's most of the time under the radar, bringing calmness and positivity. But when he comes on the radar, his strike rate is 100%. Rekha auntie is very approachable, welcoming, helpful, and always very calm. And then lastly, Chandan uncle and Priyanka auntie. They have more relatives in the US than in India, however, they always find time for us. They remain genuinely kind, never losing sight of helping others. And we already had a slide about Anupama auntie and Deepak uncle, so that'll conclude this one.
In around 2014, Papa met Deepak uncle number 2 through his job at Cisco. Over the years, though they are not colleagues anymore, they have maintained a very good relationship, as you can see by this picture. Okay. Now, enter Sada auntie and Sunil uncle and Adi. All the way until high school, Sada auntie and mummy were best friends. And they eventually reunited in 2014. Papa describes Sunil uncle as the funniest of all. But one thing about Sunil uncle is that regardless where we are, regardless of where we're traveling, he'll always find an Indian spot for us to eat at. We could be in Antarctica and we'd still be eating veg biryani for dinner. For the past 2 years, both my parents and Sada auntie and Sunil uncle have been non-stop hiking every Saturday. Though the guys, like my dad, Sunil uncle, they tend to lag behind, but the women, they always carry up the pace and they get the job done. Fast forward 5 years, my mom and I really wanted to pursue our dancing career. We then met Tini auntie. Is she here? Or is she? You'll definitely meet her. Yeah. So basically, with Tini auntie, rumor has it she can make anyone into Michael Jackson. You'll see, Papa and Versan, they've never been on a dance floor their whole lives, but they look good doing it. That's all I can say.
So now we'd like to introduce a special guest. Sadly, he wasn't able to make it today because the banquet hall did a background check and they said he was too dangerous. Who is this dangerous guy, you may be asking? Well, it's Scooby. Scooby is Mommy and Papa's youngest and third son.
So back in 2021, my parents had the honor of seeing both me graduate from middle school and my brother graduate from high school. It was really a testament to how great their parenting skills were. I'm waiting for my $5, okay? Oh, yeah, let me get this. So a lot of these will be in my dad's words and my mom's words. So I'll just start that. So I'll start with the story. So in 2021, as their friendship progressed, so the auntie introduced my parents to their group of friends. This group loves to play games and sing songs, which you'll see, their name is literally the karaoke club, so. These are some words that my parents wanted me to say. Venu Dada is highly active and a sporting personality. Kuku Didi is a superb dancer, which you will see soon. They recently had a baby, her name is Ria. Next are Shitas Dada and Ekta Babi. Mummy says that they are very mature for their age, always helping and caring. They also recently had a baby named Alicia. And Ekta Bobby's parents are here too. Yeah. Finally, Shivji and Lakshmi Auntie show the power of quiet strength and heartfelt kindness, always having fun and caring for others. Finally, I want to make one last shout out to my friend Atar, who was able to make it today. And he really wanted to come here, and I think it's really good that he did come here, because he's still on the way to meeting my parents and establishing what I think will be a great relationship. So let's just give him a round of applause too.
So we're gonna fast or time travel all the way back to 2001 to introduce two guests who are fashionably late. And we have Samir Uncle and Neha Auntie.
Because I didn't prepare anything nice.
Samir Uncle and Neha Auntie were one of the first really close friends that my parents made in California. They were actually at the hospital when both me and my brother were born. And you can actually ask Samir Uncle, right when I was born, I said hi to him.
Yes, you did.
And also, if you need any cricket lessons, you please go their way. Their son is really good at cricket. Okay, and so this concludes our presentation. Now, as you guys have probably met, my Nani, she would like to come and say some great words.
आज से ठीक 25 वर्ष पहले आनंद जी हम लोग की ज़िंदगी में आए थे और आनंद जी ने आके हमारी ज़िंदगी, हमारे परिवार सभी को आनंद से आनंदित कर दिया। अब आप लोग कह रहे हैं, प्रशांत कह रहा है कि हम कुछ शब्द उनके लिए बोलें, लेकिन मैं क्या बोलूं, उनके लिए जो भी बोला जाए बहुत कुछ कम है, शब्दों में हम उसको नहीं बांध सकते, लेकिन तो भी कुछ पंक्तियां हम बोलना चाहेंगे। खुदा की फितरत में एक पल वो भी आया होगा जब उसने आप जैसे प्यारे इंसान को बनाया होगा। न जाने कौन सी दुआ कबूल हुई होगी हमारी, जो उसने हम सब से, हमारे परिवार से उनको मिलाया होगा। अब 4 पंक्तियां, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे, 4 बोलेंगे, शिवा के लिए भी और आनंद जी के लिए भी। हमारी शुभकामनाएं, हमारा आशीर्वाद और बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। विश्वास का बंधन यूं ही बंधा रहे, आप दोनों में विश्वास का बंधन यूं ही बंधा रहे, प्यार का सागर यूं ही बहता रहे। दुआ है रब से बस इतनी ही कि आप दोनों का जीवन यूं ही हरा भरा और महकता रहे। बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Okay.
200
Let's have one more round of applause for Nani. Our first performance, which will be Pranav. If everyone could have a seat.
Okay, guys, here we go. I want high energy in the house. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
कैसे तू गुनगुनाए, मुस्कुराए, छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे, नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा। शाम सुबह मैं तेरी याद करूं, तेरे ख्यालों से मैं बात करूं, तेरे नजर में ये कैसा नशा, तेरे आवाज में ये कैसा सुकून। दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम है। कैसे तू गुनगुनाए मुस्कुराए छोटी मोटी बातों पे मुंह फुलाए, ये नजाकत मेरी आदत पास मुझे लाए। नादानियाँ नादानियाँ खींचे मुझे, नादानियाँ 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 पागल करे तेरी हर अदा।
Whoa, man, super. Come on. One quick question. I think some of, or like most of them, doesn't know the form of this dancing. Do anybody know the form? Oh, only 1% know, right? Temporary. It's very hard. It's mind blowing.
Can we get one more round of applause? Next up, we have Mr. Sunil Uncle, who will be singing. Uncle, you...
प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से ना इनकार करो, प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से ना इनकार करो, पास बैठो जरा से तो इकरार करो, प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से ना इनकार करो। कितनी हंसी है रात दुल्हन बनी है रात, कितनी हंसी है रात दुल्हन बनी है रात, मचले हुए जज्बात बात जरा होने दो, मुझे प्यार करो, मुझे प्यार करो, प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से ना इनकार करो। पहले भी तुम्हें देखा, पहले भी तुम्हें चाहा, पहले भी तुम्हें देखा, पहले भी तुम्हें चाहा, इतना हसीन पाया सब हसी होने को, मुझे प्यार करो, मुझे प्यार करो, प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से ना इनकार करो। कितनी कितना मधुर सफर है, तू मेरा हम सफर है। कितना मधुर सफर है, तू मेरा हम सफर है। बीते हुए वो दिन जरा याद करो, मुझे प्यार करो, मुझे प्यार करो। प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, ना इनकार करो। पास बैठो जरा तो इकरार करो। प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, ना इनकार करो।
Our next performance is, I was introduced at San Jose Karaoke Club, but this time he'll be dancing.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
मैं डालो दाल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गीता बाजे, चल रंग जला दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं आऊं चादर तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस नाग में कर दूं तारे। हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई। हेलो हेलो क्यों मुझे ढूंढ लगाई, येलो येलो बड़ी बहुत बनाई।
Krishan and Vixar, I think everybody knows by this time that we are the hexagon. We are Vixar's friends, moms, the dancing moms of Vixar's friends. And the dance what we are going to do today is about the story which was beautifully narrated by Vixar and Krishan about how Shiva and Anand met, and then all the things what happened afterwards. So you will see we are going to play all the dances starting from their first meeting, and then you'll see all the sequence, their engagement, the hostel period where Shiva was in the hostel and Anand was so desperate to call him every morning and every evening and trying to get hold of Shiva. You'll see that. You'll see their beautiful wedding, and you'll also see how Shiva crossed 7 oceans to be with Anand for when they're happily forever after. So guys, you guys are gonna see the first dance. I'm joined by our S. Vixar and Krishan introduce. Our TikTok star Tanu. Our bubbly live wire Vinika. Our bright shining light Raji. And last but not least, the best mobile gamer, Shweta, who can beat even the teenagers. Really? Nice. She's Alright, and I'm gonna start with you. There's a quiz for you. So we wanted to do this dance, and there's a group chat going on between all of us and Shiva. And I said, Shiva, tell me the story how you guys met. So what is the first sentence Shiva writes to me? Like what was that how you met and what did you feel? What did she feel about you? Okay, if Anand cannot answer this, then I'm going to open up for the audience. Okay, but Anand, Vishal already gave the hint, guys. Come on.
What are the hints?
No, you cannot ask them.
Such a handsome guy.
Yes! I asked Shiva that how did you guys meet and how did you meet? And the very first sentence Shiva writes me on the chat is, oh, you are looking so handsome. That was his first. That's how I was his first. Alright guys, let's give it a big hand for Shiva and
शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल, शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल दिल में आया है, इसीलिए मम्मी ने मेरी तुम्हें चाय में बुलाया है। क्या कहा? फिर से दोहराओ। शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल, शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल दिल में आया है, इसीलिए मम्मी ने मेरी तुम्हें चाय पे बुलाया है।
पंछी अकेला देख मुझे, पंछी अकेला देख मुझे, ये जाल बिछाया है, इसीलिए मम्मी ने तेरी मुझे चाय पे बुलाया है। नहीं। तेरे माथे झूमर दमके, तेरे कानों वाली चमके है रे, तेरे हाथों कंगना खनके, तेरे पैरों पायल छनके है रे, नैनों से बोले रब्बा रब्बा, मन में डोले रब्बा रब्बा, अमृत घोले रब्बा रब्बा, तू सोनिए
Mobile number, what is your smile number? Can we have private party? What is your private number? कहाँ से तू आती है डार्लिंग, कहाँ को तू जाती है, आके जाके ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाती है?
What is your style number? करो क्या dial number? होगा फिर आना जाना, दे दे कोई easy number. कहाँ से तू आता है डार्लिंग, कहाँ को तू जाता है, आके जाके ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाता है? हाय हाय।
What is mobile number? What is your smile number?
What is your style number? करो क्या dial number?
ये कुड़िया नशे दिया पुड़िया
ये मुंडे गले के गुंडे
ये कुड़िया नशे दिया पुड़िया
ये मुंडे गले के गुंडे
नशे दिया पुड़िया
गले के
मेहंदी लगा के रखना डोली सजा के रखना मेहंदी लगा के रखना डोली सजा के रखना लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आएंगे तेरे सजना मेहंदी लगा के रखना डोली सजा के रखना ओहो ओहो
सेहरा सजा के रखना चेहरा छुपा के रखना सेहरा सजा के रखना चेहरा छुपा के रखना ये दिल की बात अपने दिल में दबा के रखना सेहरा सजा के रखना चेहरा छुपा के रखना
मेहंदी लगा के रखना डोली सजा के रखना हाय हाय हाय
मेहंदी है रचने वाली हाथों में गहरी लाली कह सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली है तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं ओ हरियाली बन्नो ले जाने तुझको भैया आने वाले हैं सैया थामेंगे आंखें भैया गूंजेगी शहनाई अंगनाई अंगनाई मेहंदी है रचने वाली हाथों में गहरी लाली कह सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली है तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली है
तुमने मोहब्बत करनी है हम
हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है। हुनर है ये भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है। बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों, बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों। ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान, उस पे मर मिट जाए। में जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, जो जुबान मेरी जान, उस पे मर मिट जाए। मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई। हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
Next up, we have Deepak Uncle.
मैं छोड़ने आई।
ऐसे वो सपोर्ट करने आई थी, मतलब छोड़ने आई।
ये इमोशनल सपोर्ट, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट तो है, इमोशनल सपोर्ट।
यार टीना मैं सोने लग गई। अरे लेना भूल गई।
और तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो किया बहुत ही शानदार था, सारे परफॉर्मर्स ने सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया, थैंक यू। लेकिन हर चीज की शुरुआत नेशनल एंथम से होती है, राइट? तो आज हम लोग नेशनल एंथम गाएंगे गोवा का, राइट? तो अब ये नेशनल एंथम गाने के लिए आपका भी पार्टिसिपेशन जरूरी है। मैंने कहा कि आज म्यूजिक की जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोग ही म्यूजिक हो, राइट? तो जब मैं आपकी तरफ माइक करूंगा तो आपको गाना है, राइट? थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। 1 2 3। अरे जिससे मेरी याद आए जब चाहे चली आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए गाइए जब अब चाहे प्रैक्टिस मोर। जिससे मेरी याद आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए, राइट? और जब हाथ उठेगा तब आपको गाना बंद करना है, राइट? आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया, यू नो, ग्रेट जॉब, बट यू नो, alright, let's try that once more. जिससे मेरी याद आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए, my name is Anthony Gonzalez. Right, मैं दुनिया में अकेला हूँ, दिल भी है खाली, घर भी है खाली, जेबें भी खाली, सर भी है खाली, किसमें रहेगी कोई किस्मत वाली। अरे जिससे मेरी याद आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए, रूप में प्रेम गली खोली नंबर 420। Right, my name is Anthony Gonzalez. हाँ मैं दुनिया में अकेला हूँ। अभी अभी इसी जगह पे कोई लड़की देखी है, हाँ देखी है, हाँ देखी है। वो मुझे इशारे करती है पर किसी से शायद डरती है, हाँ डरती है, हाँ डरती है। रे प्यार करेगी क्या डरने वाली गठड़ी, मुझसे बगेरी बनेगी कोई हिम्मत वाली। अरे जिससे मेरी याद आए, जिससे मेरी याद आए, रूप में प्रेम गली खोली नंबर 420। श्योर। तो हमने आनंद और शिवा का सारा सफर देखा, सफर हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में। तो ये इतने हसीन सफर को 3 दशकों में, डेकेड्स में कैप्चर करना चाहिए, राइट। सबसे पहला दशक ये था जब इनके बचपन का जमाना था, 1970s। हम लोग शायद पैदा नहीं हुए थे, बहुत सारे लोग। तो उस टाइम पे जमाना कुछ और था, उस टाइम पे जमाना कुछ ऐसा था। आपको थोड़ी आवाज बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। तो वो जमाना था। फिर उस जमाने के बाद जब ये कॉलेज में आए, 1990s का जमाना था। 1990s बड़ा रोमांटिक जमाना था, राइट। हम लोग पैदा हुए, यस। हम लोग छोटे थे, ये लोग थोड़े कॉलेज में थे, जवान हो रहे थे। तो उस जमाने में कुछ ऐसी हवा बहती थी। तो ये इनकी जवानी का जमाना था, राइट। तो जवान हुई, शादी हुई, तो सब आपने देखा ही है। इसके बाद हम सबकी कामना है कि इनका प्यार फ्यूचर में भी इतना अच्छे से बना रहे, इतना सारा जो इनको दोस्तों का प्यार मिला है वो भी बना रहे, जो फैमिलीज का प्यार मिला है वो भी बना रहे। और इसके लिए मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि बच्चे यहाँ पे थोड़ा बोर हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि अंकल जी कौन से पुराने जाने के जमाने, राइट। तो थोड़ा उनके जमाने का थोड़ा सा लव सॉन्ग गा देते हैं, राइट। तो तो बस आज हमारी सबकी यही दुआ है, इनके साथ यही प्यार बना रहे और उनकी जिंदगी ऐसे ही फूलों से भरी रहे।
So Vikshar has already introduced me and Nisha, Rupaji and Buaji, and my sons, Sophia, daughter Akanksha and Joseph, and my dear, see, Amaya. This is new family member. She cannot live without me, and otherwise also. Say hello. Yeah. So you heard Viksar saying that I am the Gyani Purush, and if I talk for 5 minutes, everybody will become Gyani. So at the end of my speech, I will see how many of you turn into Gyanis. So to begin with, first of all, happy wedding anniversary both to Anand and Shiva. Our best blessings, all the congratulations, and to Vishal and Viksar for organizing this beautiful event to bring everybody together, family and friends, to enjoy. And now, when we moved to US around 2000, we had some friends, but we were missing the family. In 2003, it was our chance, it was our fortune and good luck to meet the family, Shiva and Anand. And you know, Anand and Shiva are made for each other, not in this physical world, but also spiritual. Anand is the name of Brahm. Brahm is another name of Anand. And how can Shiva be separated from Anand? So, both are there. They have been there all together, and they will always be together no matter what. So, our blessing is just a means. जैसे कि जब रामचंद्र जी और सीता जी की विवाह हुआ था, तो हिंदी ठीक है ना, सब लोग समझ जाएंगे? तो बहुत सारे लोग, देवी देवता, तरह तरह के लोग आए थे, उनको आशीर्वाद दे रहे थे। लेकिन वो आशीर्वाद से राम और सीता के संबंध में कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा था। वो अपने आशीर्वाद को सच्चा साबित करने के लिए दे रहे थे। So they are together, they have been together, they will always be blissful. We are trying to make ourselves proud to bless them. So that's what I think. Both are very accomplished, you know, all the friends. I mean, I'm so glad to see that after coming to this Bay Area in 2001, just being together, two of them, and now they have collected and made so many friends. You have seen the talent, the skills they have got, just performance. That's a big achievement for them. So later on, I found that both are so accomplished, both academically, professionally, but in my experience, they have been most humble, down-to-earth people. Right? And to share a secret, शिवा का साल में एक दिन होता है जिस दिन मैं बन्ना भैया की कथा सुनता हूँ। आप लोग समझ गए होंगे कौन सा दिन होता है। तो वो कथा सुनने के लिए मैं पूरा साल इंतजार करता हूँ। और वो कथा कहने वाला कौन होता है? आनंद। आनंद वो कथा कहते हैं और ये शिवा उसकी जो है वो सुनने वाली होती है और वो बंडा भैया की कथा। तो ये इन लोगों का आपसी प्यार है, एक दूसरे की समझदारी है जो उस दिन दिखती है और वो बड़े आनंद का समय होता है। क्या कहें हम लोगों का। और आनंद, अभी आप मामा जी भी बन गए, तो फूफा जी तो मैं था ही लेकिन अभी ये जो है ना, ये मामा जी, बेटा वो मामा जी और मामी जी बैठी है। ठीक है, 5 मिनट तो हो गए। अभी कितने लोग ज्ञानी बने हैं वो हाथ उठा दें। जो नहीं बने वो या तो पहले से थे, अदरवाइज कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। और कोई कुछ कहेगा?
We love you. Thank you for always supporting my parents and us as a family. Always think about you as family. Like Papa said, we're very lucky to have you in our lives.
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Romeo, 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 Romeo,
Samira.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2,
Mommy, Papa, what is going on? This anniversary, we want a romantic song, right? We want a romantic song. We don't want to stop ourselves.
Completely
Romantic, please.
तेरी मेरी गल्लाए होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं मेरे बिना तू। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बाबरे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे।
चम 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 अंबरा दे तारे कहंदे ने सजना, तू ही चन मेरे इस दिल दा मन लवे सजना। तेरे बिना मेरा होवे ना गुजारा, छड़ के ना जावी मैनू तू ही है सहारा।
काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बाबरे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे।
बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया, ए बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया। हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन, अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा।
तुम पै गईया तू चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं, तेनू देख के होते मरदे ने खड़े चौंका बिच सिपाही नी। ठोडी ते काला दिल कुड़िए, ठोडी ते काला दिल कुड़िए, जो दागे चन ते टुकड़े ते तेनू काला चश्मा, तेनू काला चश्मा, तेनू काला गए।
उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो, कभी खुशी कभी गम तेरा रम पम पम। हंस और हंसाया करो। उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो,
कभी खुशी कभी गम तेरा रम पम पम। हंसो और हंसाया करो।
So, as Brisan and Bixar initially mentioned that we have completed 25 years, it's a great achievement for us together, raising kids and so on and so on. But the celebration that we wanted to have today was celebrating with you. I mean, you have been part of our lives. You have been, you helped us reaching to this point. And most of the fun that we had with all of you. So we really want, and this celebration, as I mentioned, that it's nothing about us, it's all about you guys. So thanks for coming. We are continuing our celebration, but we really want to thank from bottom of our heart the journey that we have with you. We want to continue for next 25-30 years. So thank you.
Thank you guys. You are our family, and thank you for all the love and support. Yeah, I don't think we could have led this 25 years without you guys. Thank you all. Thank you.
अब ये हम कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे, करते तो हैं साथ सफर, फासले हैं फिर भी मगर जैसे मिलते नहीं किसी दरिया के दो किनारे। पास है फिर भी पास नहीं, हमको ये गम रास नहीं। शीशे की एक दीवार है जैसे दरमियां, हमने जो था नगमा सुना, दिल ने था उसको चुना। ये दास्तान हमें वक्त ने कैसी सुनाई, हम जो अगर हैं गमगी वो भी उधर खुश तो नहीं। मुलाकातों में है जैसे घुल सी गई तन्हाई, मिलके भी हम मिलते नहीं, खिल के भी गुल खिलते नहीं।
बहुत कठिन है डगर बनने की, बहुत कठिन है डगर बनने की। चली बड़ी औकात से रात आई है, मन तो है मेरा पावन मगर यौवन हर जाई है। तू कैसे हो मिलता के पिया से जान गई अटकी, बहुत कठिन है डगर बन घटकी। पन 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 घटकी, पन 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 घटकी, बहुत कठिन है डगर बन घटकी। पन 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 घटकी, पन 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 घटकी, बहुत कठिन है डगर बन घटकी।
पन घट पे घट घट करके पीती रहती पीती रहती पीती रहती पीती रहती, सावरिया बिन सजना क्यों जीती रहती जीती रहती जीती रहती जीती रहती। पन घट पे घट घट करके पीती रहती पीती रहती पीती रहती पीती रहती, सावरिया बिन सजना क्यों जीती रहती जीती रहती जीती रहती जीती रहती। पटते पटा पटनते क्यों तो इतना बनते, घना एटीट्यूड घमंडी, पर बनेगी तू मेरी बंदी, क्योंकि नजरों में जब से तू अटकी अटकी, बुद्धि है मेरी थोड़ी सटकी सटकी, समझ दिया तेरी मटकी मटकी, दिल करे फोड़ दूं मैं फटकी फटकी।